Assalamu alaikum. Instrument commissioning technician इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर वीडियो सीरीज़ के दूसरे पार्ट के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ. What is the loop checking procedure for FF Foundation Field Bus devices? Loop checking of FF devices only carried out after all the devices are connected in particular segment. If a segment has 8 devices, loop check only done after the 8 instruments connected. How to simulate FF type transmitter, pressure transmitter, PT100 and range 0 to 10 bar. Connect the hard communicator to PT pressure transmitter 100. Communicator probe should be in FF port. To go to online, all the devices will be shown in that particular segment. FT100, TT100, PT100, PV100, FV100. 3. Select PT100 and select PT100 and then go to PT100 AI block. Select quick configuration and verify the LRV, URV and unit. Go back and select advanced configuration, simulation active. Go back and select simulate. Go back and select simulate. Give 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% of total value. FF devices cannot simulate 4 to 20 milliamp. Instead of that, simulate PV 0 to 10. PV 0 to 10 bar means 0 bar, 2.5 bar, 5 bar, 7.5 bar, 10 bar. 8. Verify the corresponding reading in DCS. After completion of simulation, go to simulation deactive. What is the loop checking procedure for RTD transmitter shall be power on after completion of cold loop check to simulate resistance equivalent to 0%, 25%, 50%, 75% and 100% of the transmitter range by using decayed resistance box or any other resistance simulator at the RTD terminal head. Verify the corresponding reading in DCS, transmitter display and remote indicator if applicable. Alarm function shall be checked in DCS by simulating. Normalize all the connections and make sure the transmitter is showing ambient temperature. If the reading is not accurate during loop check, the instrument to be recalibrated at calibration lab. Zeroing is not allowed in field. What is the loop checking procedure for thermocouple? Transmitter shall be power on after completion of cold loop check to simulate millivolt equivalent to 0%, 25%, 50%, 75% and 100% of the transmitter range by using millivolt simulator at the thermocouple terminal head. 3. Verify the corresponding reading in DCS, transmitter display and remote indicator if applicable. Alarm function shall be checked in DCS by simulating. Normalize all the connection and make sure the transmitter is showing ambient temperature. If the reading is not accurate during loop check, the instrument to be recalibrated at calibration lab. Zeroing is not allowed in field. How to perform loop checking for control valve? Energize the solenoid valve from functional logic ESD if applicable. Use portable air or nitrogen cylinder if the instrument air supply is not available at the side. Put the controller mode to manual mode and apply the command 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% from DCS and monitor the response of the valve from field. Fourth, verify the control valve action on air supply failure. Fifth, verify the control valve action on power supply failure. Sixth, verify verify the hand wheel operation and auto manual calibration if applicable. Seventh, verify the graphs in DCS. What is the loop checking procedure for on-off ESDV valve? 1. Force the ESD logic interlocking are involved in that particular valve. Use portable air or nitrogen cylinder if the instrument air supply is not available. Apply the valve open and close command from DCS and verify the valve response in field. Note down the valve open and close timing and should match with vendor sheet. Verify the valve open and close feedback in DCS. Verify the valve action in air failure. Verify the partial stroke test PSD if applicable. Verify the DCS graphs and color for valve open and close condition.